The Treo series, simple, reliable lighting for any pool. The 5-watt Treo LED light is available in color and bright white. The 2-watt Treo micro light is perfect for accent light applications like steps, shelves, and fountains. Treo and Treo micro LED lights can easily be customized to any color or enjoyed through pre-programmed light shows. Treo and Treo micro LED light features are optimized with the PoolLUX Premier lighting control system. Choose from 4 color trim rings to match the surface of your pool or spa. The Treo and Treo Micro have short necks for limited space mounting and a variety of cord lengths for easy installation. A field serviceable lamp makes maintenance a breeze. Pool lighting by S.R. Smith. Simple, easy, elegant.